afternoon everyone. I am going to show you how to make creme caramels. They don't actually take long, they are delicious, simple to make. So I thought I would quickly show you how to do that. At the moment, if we're buying milk or eggs, I think we're buying quite a few of them because we're never sure if they're going to be in or not in the stores. So when I was in the other day, I got this great big box of them, which made me think, oh, now I need to make things with eggs. So just in case you're in the same boat as I am, here we go. So I'm going to make the creme caramels and put them in these ramekins. These are quite big ones. My family really like them. I've already started some things, so I was just checking. So before I make the egg custard, what we're going to do is make the caramel, and all you do to make the caramel, we're going to take our water. The recipe is up on my website, pinnyandtrowel.com. I'm going to take 3/4 of the water, and I'm going to take all of the sugar, and I'm going to then put that on the heat. Well, as if by magic, I've actually already got some on the heat. So if I bring that over, what you're aiming for is getting it to this really nice caramel colour. Once you've done that, you add the last of that water. Let me take that heat back up. I slowed it down because it seems sensible to do. You're just going to add it in there. It's going to get a little bit of attitude going, and then it will just keep it on there until it's now all runny again, and then we can get going. Now I'm going to put this one on so that you can see how long it actually does take. So that's just got on, but while I'm waiting, I am going to just pour my caramel into these 4 ramekins. So I'm making 4 big creme caramels as opposed to the 6 medium that I normally would make. So this one did not go all the way, so I'm just going to twirl it around like that. Okay, I'll just put that up there because it is pretty hot. So the creme caramel, or the caramel, is now in the bottom. So what I can do is make I don't need this lid, the egg custard. So to make the egg custard, we're just going to put 4 eggs into our bowl. There we go. We have 2 ounces of sugar. So we'll get rid of that into there. A few drops of vanilla extract. I happen to like the flavour, so I was a little bit more in. And then what I'm going to do is whisk them up. Now I'm not trying to make it really pale or thick or anything like that. I'm just trying to really combine it. And here we go. Going to add the milk. I was just checking on our sugar water as it turns itself into caramel. I've heated that milk just for a minute in the microwave. That just helps. Okay, so that is everything mixed together, and all I'm going to do now is take my same jug that I had the milk in, because that saves on washing up. I'm going to take a sieve, and I'm just going to pour it through so that it catches any froth or lumps of egg or anything like that that I might not have mixed in enough. There we go. So we now have that done. I'm going to move this water over here so it's ready. It's still not ready right now. And then all I'm going to do is pour my ramekin, there we go, back to full temperature, with my egg custard. And I'm just going to go sort of 2/3 so that I know I have now I've got a little bit left, so I'm just going to sort of bring them to an equal, there we go. They are now all ready to go in the oven, and once again I have already prepared, so when we put them in the oven we actually put them in a roasting dish. Anne-Marie, we're putting water in and we're actually cooking them with a gentle heat. And the water is helping cook them. So I'm going to take out of the oven the ones that I have already done, and I'm just going to put them on the table here. So let me move these out of the way. And then you will see what they actually look like as they're coming out. So these ones are nearly ready. I'm still going to show them to you though. They're not quite ready actually, so I am going to have to put them back in. See, I went live too quickly. But let me bring the camera a little bit closer and show you what they look like. So, there we go. I have to find out where there we go. So as you can see, they're in water. They're filled nicely to the top, and that's how they are just cooking. They only go in the oven for about 30 minutes, and then you chill them down. And then you can either eat them straight out of these ramekins, or you can actually tip them out, which is what we tend to do at home. Whoop. There we go. So tomorrow I'm going to make some creme brulee for you, and what I'll do is I'll have one of these as well, and I'll just show you how the creme caramel have come out. Since when I decided today I was going to do this for you, I did not have one prepped enough and ready. Anyway, thank you very much. Oh, hang on, let me check our, there you go, I'll just show you that. So while I've been talking, can you actually see that that is now a nice colour? I'm going to let it go just a little bit darker, but it is actually a lovely caramel colour. I like my caramel really quite burnt when I'm using it for caramel. I think that extra flavour complements the creaminess of the egg custard when it's set. But there you go, I don't need it any more than that. So it didn't take long at all, and oh, it smells nice in here now. I'm going to turn that power off and listen to this. So just keep yourself back and let that go in, and then just gently mix it round, and now you have caramel, which I'm just going to leave there on that. I've got some more ramekins ready, so I'm going to be able to do this. Anyway, have a wonderful Tuesday. I think what day it was there. And I look forward to speaking to you all again tomorrow for creme brulee. Bye everyone.